Hi guys! In this video, let's do a construction problem. I want to build a barn, and this side is the width, and it's going to be 8 feet long, and this side is the length, and it's going to be 12 feet long. The same for both of these. So, I went to a brick shop. In the brick shop, each brick was $2. And I could pick any length for the bricks. The length could be 1, the length could be 3, the length could be 4, 7, 9, the length could be 8, any length. But there was one strict condition. The condition was that I could only choose one length. And all the bricks that I buy should be that length. And I want to save the least money possible. So I need to find the biggest length of the bricks to fit so they would fit in all of these sides. So now let's write the length. Well, length. Now I'll write 8 here to represent this and this side. Now I'll write 12 here to represent both of these sides. And I'll write the cost so we can see which is the lowest cost. Okay. Now let's say I pick the length 1 feet. That means 8 bricks. So both of these sides, that would be 16 bricks. And for both of these sides, that would be 24 bricks. And now, to find the cost, I need to add both of these, which is 40. And I need to multiply it by 2 because each brick is $2. So 40 times 2 is 80. The cost, if I buy one length of the brick, is 80. Let's say I say the bricks at 2 feet each. So that means I need 8 bricks on both of these sides and 12 bricks on both of these sides. And the cost would be 40. Now let's say I pick the brick length as 3. That means we can't do it for 8. That means we can't do 3. Now, let's say I pick the brick length as 4. So for 8, it would be 4. I need 4. And for 12, I would need 6 for both of these. And the cost would be 20. Now, let's say I pick 5. 5, we can't do 5 with 8. That means we can't do 5. And we can't do 6. And we can't do 7 with these numbers. And we can't do 8 because we won't. That means we can't do it with 12. And we can't do it by 9 because that would go bigger than 8. So the answer is 4. Do we already know this? Yes! 4 is the highest common factor of 8 and 12. Now, let's find the highest common factor of 8 and 12. So, that means we need to write 8 and 12 here. So, we need to find the prime number factors of 8. The prime number factors of 8 are 2, 2, and 2. Now we need to find the prime number factors of 12. 2, 2, and 3. Now let's group them. So 2 and 2. We can't group 2 with 3 because they're different numbers. Now let's write both of these here. So 2 and 2. Now we need to multiply both of them. 2 times 2 is 4. That means the highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. So this is the brick length I choose to minimize my cost. Now I know what size I need for the bricks. So how much bricks would I need? Let's find out. So 8. So that means I would need 2 bricks on this side and 2 bricks on this side. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And for this, I would need 3 bricks and 3 bricks. That would be 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. I would need 10 bricks. And each brick is $2. That means 10 times 2 is 20. So $20 is the cost I would pay. Now let's do another problem that's the same kind. I want to build a barn, and this side is the width, and it needs to be 42 feet long, and this side is the length. It needs to be 60 feet long, the same for both of these sides. I go to a brick store, and each brick is $3, and I can choose any length for the bricks. There's one strict condition. The condition was I could only choose one size for all the bricks I buy. I want to buy the bricks as the least possible money. That means I need to choose the highest length possible. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, so now let's find the highest common factor of 60 and 42. Okay, so 60 is a big number, so let's write the prime numbers from 1 to 5. 1 to 10. Okay, so now let's write 60. 60 can be divided by 2, which is 30. 30 can be divided by 2. 2, which can be divided by, which is 15. 15 cannot be divided by 2. 15 can be divided by 3, which is 5. 5 cannot be divided by 3. 5 cannot be divided by 5. 5 cannot be divided by 7. These are the prime number factors of 60. So 2, 2, 3, and 5. Now, let's find the prime number factors of 42. 2, 3, 5, 7, 42. 42 divided by 2. 2 is 21. 21 divided by 2, we can't do that. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 cannot be divided by 3. 7 cannot be divided by 5. 7 cannot be divided by 7. These are the prime numbers of 42. So 2, 3, and 7. Now, let's group them. So 2. So we can really group 2 here. 3, 5 can't be grouped with 7. Now let's write both of these numbers here. So 2 and 3. Now let's multiply them. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is the length of the bricks I need to buy. Now let's find how much bricks I would buy if I chose the length of 6. So 60, so 20 and 14, 20 plus 14 is 34. I'd buy 34 bricks. Now let's see how much dollars I would spend. So 34, $3 each brick. I would spend $102